so many colors are available, but we cannot tell the colors to others without numeric values. So some persons pursue the same color with different notations. So the color order system eliminates these possible errors in the subjective analysis of color. In color order system, it is a systematic and rational method of arranging all the colors or a subset by means of material samples selected, so that so that they represent all the object colors in numerical value. So once the colors are arranged systematically, they are named and descriptive terms are numbered. So each color has its own number. So based on the number, the colors are selected. There are so many color order systems are available. Munsell color order system, CAA color order system, Chromo Cosmos, Orimetric system, Roll system, Practical color coordinate system, OSA UCS system. So these are common color order system available in the market. But mostly Munsell color order system and the CAA system are widely used in most of the color measuring instruments. In Munsell color order system, there are three attributes: the hue, value, and chroma. So these three attributes are used as a primary parameters for defining the color. Primary hue is nothing but color. That means purity of color. So blue, yellow, red are hues of a particular. These are some of the examples for hue: yellow, green, blue, red. So these are some examples for a hue. So hue is the attribute of a color by which we distinguish red from green, blue from yellow. That is a hue. There is natural order of hue: red, yellow, green, blue. So that is the natural order of hue. Value is the indication of lightness or darkness of the color. So it denoted 1 to 10. That means 0 to 10. So 0 is darker and 10 is lighter. So you see the value of a particular color. So this is a value for a red color. 0 is darker and 10 is lighter. So this is a chromatic, and achromatic is black. So see the difference between the values. So this is high value and this is medium and this is low value colors. So see the depth. Chroma is the degree of departure of a color from the natural color of the same value. So see, this is darker strong chroma and this is weak chroma. So this is the example for a chroma. So you see in between the values. So this is a Munsell color order system. So Munsell are arbitrary divided in the hue circle into 100. So see, this is divided into 100. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so up to 100. And all the possible colors are included in this circle. So for example, red and yellow, red, yellow, green, yellow, green, blue, red, blue, green, and blue, red, blue, and red. So these are the possible colors, and in between the ranges are there. For example, yellow, red, and yellow, if you mix in same proportionate, you will get some other colors. In between, some colors will come. So this is a Munsell color order system. So see the value and chroma for a particular colors. For a particular chroma, so value is darker from to lighter. So that is a value. So this is also a Munsell color order system. Merits of color order system: physical samples enable the system to be understood easily and easy to use. Side by side comparison are made under standard viewing conditions. As such, no instrument is required. Demerits: there are so many color order systems are available in the market, not possible to include all perceived colors. So we cannot include all the colors what we are perceiving, and visual spacing of the sample is valid only if the standard illuminating and viewing conditions are maintained, and manual errors are possible in this instrument, and assessment may vary due to the observer's perceptions. Color vision defects. There are 3 color vision defects. The first one is non-color blind. So there is no blind, whereas Proteinate is a red cone cell defective. So we cannot perceive the red colors in this defect. And Deuteranap, that is a green cone cell defective. So we cannot perceive green and red colors. And Tryptophan, so blue cone defective. So the person cannot view the blue colors. So see the difference between the color vision defects. So this is normal vision and this is a defective vision. Beer-Lambert's law: when a ray of monochromatic light passes the observing media, its intensity decreases exponentially as the light of the observing medium increases, as the length of the observing medium increases. For example, L is equal to logarithm of K1 L. So if the intensity if the length of the observing medium increases, the intensity of the light is decreased. So that is a Lambert's law. And Beer's law is just same as Lambert's law. Here instead of the length of observing medium, it is based on the concentration of the observing medium. So when the concentration of the observing medium increases, the intensity decreases. So if we combine these 2 laws, that is Beer-Lambert's law, so that is when we increase the intensity of that means when we increase the length of the observing medium and concentration of the observing medium, the intensity decreases. That is Beer-Lambert's law. So this is the equation for Beer-Lambert's law.